Okay guys, so we're gonna do a look because I might have to go somewhere. Addison has drum lessons on, like I said last time, on FaceTime with her teacher, and my niece has singing with her teacher on FaceTime. But I did mention to you guys last time that I got a new palette in and I wanted to do a look. So this is the new Bloodlust palette with Jeffree star. Oh my god, it's so freaking pretty. The box and the packaging is so cute and I love it. And if you guys don't know, my favorite color is purple. It's very beautiful. And then you open it up and it looks like this. So I haven't tried it out. I've been waiting to do a video on it, pretty much to do. So I just been, you know, this whole quarantine thing, it just makes it really bad to go anywhere, do anything, or even do my makeup. And I did have to go to the store yesterday, like really fast, and I didn't even put makeup on. But this is what the the palette looks like. It is so freaking beautiful. Like this crown just kind of reminds me a lot of Addison, just because she's Junior Miss Alice, and they haven't gotten the new Junior Miss Alice 2020 yet because of what's going on. Like we can't do anything, so she still is a Junior Miss Alice, and I don't know, like the crown is just so pretty, and then like it's so velvety, and oh my god, it's just gorgeous. Then it has like this big old button here, and you kind of lift it up, and then you have the mirror, and then you have the palette. Like, oh my god. So you guys can see that I haven't used this palette at all. So I had this before this whole thing went bad, but these are the colors, and I don't even know what I'm gonna use, like what shades I'm gonna use, but they are so freaking pretty. Kind of reminds me of my nails, like they're just very colorful. So yeah, so we are going to test this bad boy, and yeah, so I don't even know like what I want to use, like what I want to do. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a brush out and see like what is it that I want to use for these shades. I think I'm gonna use this shade right here, this brush right here. I know I'm gonna do purple because I'm gonna wear purple today. This is just my pajamas and I'm in my pajamas, so. But I think what I want to do is literally go in with Defiant, which is this light lilac purple, and then I'm gonna go in with this one right here, which is Scandal Water, which is a beautiful like blue gray color. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick that shade up. Oh my god, the fact of it's like this big old thing right here, so I'm just gonna, and I was kind of scared to go anything with light because sometimes these shades come in like really chalky, or they don't, not very pigmented, but bitch, this is pigmented. Like I'm excited, I'm happy. So we're just gonna go in with this shade right here. So that is that. I'm gonna go in with Jeffree Star brush, the one that he did with Morphe, and I'm gonna go in with that light blue gray, which is Scandal Water, and see what blue looks like. Oh my god, this is so freaking pretty. It's really hard for me to use purple because purple is my favorite color. I love purple. It takes me a while to get used to like the whole purple eyeshadow thing, because I feel like purple eyeshadow doesn't look good on me at all, but lately I've been liking it. So oh my god, the shade, I love the shade right here. Just kind of get some more and blend that out. Okay, so I want to kind of smoke it out towards the end, and I want to go in with a Vile Serpent, which is this beautiful turquoise color, and I don't know what it is, but I've been loving this colors like this for a really long time, and I actually have clothes, I have shirts, I have leggings in this color, so I'm just like, oh my god, it's just so pretty. And me and the girls, because we can't go or do anything, we've been tie-dyeing like crazy, which I'm gonna talk about it on my quarantine lock-in favorites. I don't know it, but I'll show you guys what we've been doing. And I've been using like this dye color for my tie-dye, and I just love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and smoke it out with the shade at the end. And let's see, oh my gosh, it's like a beautiful color. Like, I love like this, I don't even know what to say, like a turquoise, but it's like deeper. I don't know, it's the color of my nail, to be honest. Like, I see, I told you, like, I love the shade, like the shade, this color. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit deeper and just pack it in there. Like, oh, I love it. So I want to kind of go a little bit higher. I'm thinking if I should do like a shimmer, or if I should do like keep it in the matte. Like, I'm like, this one right here is calling my name, but I also like this color, so I don't know if I should keep it all matte, but you know what, let's take it to a whole new level. We're gonna take the crown, which is this purple one right here, and we're gonna go ahead and go in with that shade. Oh my god, this is so freaking pretty. Like, I just love shimmering. So I'm gonna leave the eyes by itself for a little bit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I always do okay guys, so I know that my video went from setting my face to it already said in bronze, but it's because my mom called me. So when my mom calls me, like, I'm not gonna ignore it. Like, we talked and stuff, so while she was talking to me, I was doing my face, but I did leave like the eyes alone for you guys. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some eyeliner, and you guys know that I use this. I'm not gonna videotape this because I feel like it's just so boring, but I'm gonna use the E.l.f. liner, and I'm gonna do like a wing line, and then when I'm done with that, then we'll come back so I can show you how I'm gonna do the bottom, and yeah, all of that. So the liner is on. I'm gonna go in my Modella brush, and I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you guys know that I always use this one or the white one, and I'm just gonna put this in my inner corner, just like that. Okay, so now for my bottom lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and take this purple, which is the Blood Queen that I didn't use. I'm gonna use this one as the bottom, just to pop out the purple a little bit more. And I'm gonna use this brush right here. I'm just gonna go under. So for my highlight, I'm going to go in with the E.l.f. and Heart collaboration. I'm just going to use this light shade right here. And I haven't been using, well, last time I put makeup, I took Destiny to the eye doctor, and I didn't put any highlight. So I'm kind of like, I don't know, more of a matte feel lately. And I did order something online today, so I can't wait for that to get here so that I can show you guys what I got, because what is just order stuff online. Okay, so my lipstick, I have a new shade. Don't I have a new shade? I believe I have a new lipstick, and this one is, I don't know if I used this in a video before, but it's one of my newest ones. I think I'm gonna go in with this one because I have this new one, and then I have this new one. I think I'm gonna go in with this one actually. Okay, so this is another new one. I think I've used it online, I mean on a video before, but it's like one of my new ones. And I'm trying to hurry because my water burger is here. I can go eat. This is like a really pretty color. I'll let that sink in. I really like this palette. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and then I will be right back. Hey guys, so this is what my hair is. It's really bad, it needs to be touched up, but you know, we can't go anywhere, we can't do anything about it, so this is what the final look is. But I really do like this eyeshadow. Like, this palette is like really good. Like, I really like this look. So yeah, so that is it. This palette right here, I really like it, and it's really gorgeous and beautiful. I just love the packaging. So yeah, so that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.